Okay. It'll be my first time too.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
My name's Guy, by the way.
Hi, I'm Janet. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Chris, nice to meet you.
Don't cover her face.
Awesome. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. I mean, I guess I thank you for the opportunity, but thank you for letting us help some of the awareness.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we've got, the major group of our riders are up at 9/11 riot this weekend in New York and Washington, D.C., Pennsylvania. But we got 3 of us out here. I'm glad to be here. You need any help?
Thank you so much. Were you wanting to go up and check it out?
Yeah, let's go up there real quick.
Yeah, real quick. You're probably going to wait for you to...
Stay on those boards because...
That's it? Okay. Hi, how are y'all?
Hey
Thank
guys,
you, thank you.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Hey,
you guys.
thank you. Hey, thank you. Hi. Is that great?
Well, thanks for coming out, guys. Alright. So, I wonder, have you seen any movies, I wonder?
You know, I think it probably has. I hate that it's boarded up there and you can't see over.
I'm pretty sure the board's here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's... No.
This must have been for like horse and buggy,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
I think it's a pretty short ride back to,
Okay.
I'll go grab your bag inside.
Okay.
And we'll head over towards that, like, alright.
I'm gonna take another one.
Can I take another one right now? Alright, look for your phone right quick. There it is. So you good?
Yep.
Alright. You don't want it, do you? Not on the bike. Do you?
Well, I kind of do, but I'll be okay.
Let's get you on
Alright.
here. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Tell me again.
My ex-husband, I was in the same situation. Said he tried to strangle me.
Well, so are you. We're survivors. We made it. Wait, he's in jail?
No, they let him out a few years ago, and wouldn't grant me the divorce unless I tried to get custody rights of my daughter. It took me 5, 6 years to fight it, and I finally got my rights granted without him having it. My husband, your husband got the problem.
Oh, that's great.
So,
Well, I'm very pleased to meet you.
it's amazing what y'all are doing.
This is great. Oh.
Alright. Let's get you on this bike.
You're gonna have the bike away before you buy another bike.
Yeah.
Stop to the side, right? We're working on our cool points today. Keep giving them up. Take some. That. Alright. Let's do this.
Which picture did you want, Chris? Oops, sorry.
No problem.
I think she was looking for a bathroom. Oh, wow.
Take
That's
it in. Oh, and it's starting to trickle. Working out well on it.
Jack's amazing voyage and yours.
Oh, Oh my gosh.
That's right.
This is so awesome.
Way to christen it.
Yeah. It's really nice.
Super. I'm sorry.
Mhm.
Open all the vents for her.
I was going to get moving.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah. It's telling it's going to get warm. It's going to get hot.
Here we go. That's great. Let's hit it.
Mike reached yesterday.
What's an adrenaline junkie?
Oh yeah. I feel the need for speed. I would be honored. Yeah.
Oh, great. No hair.
Nope, I like everything. I'm not much of a heavy metal girl though. Okay, then we're good to go.